Hello 8th graders and parents. Welcome to your 8th grade CCR. CCR stands for College and Career Ready. We want you to use your schooling over the next few years to help you prepare for life. How you do in school can either limit your choices or give you more opportunities. Here at Vista Heights, we encourage you to do your best in school so that you are prepared to go wherever you would like in life. Education is the key to those opportunities. When you come to your individual CCR time in your library, you will receive a pamphlet that looks like this. You may also print a copy of this pamphlet found on the counseling webpage on the Vista Heights website. Inside this pamphlet is much of the key information that you will need as you prepare for the beginning of high school. The first thing every parent and student should know is how to log on to Skyward. If you're having troubles with your Skyward login, please talk to us quickly and we will try and help you get into it. You can also set up Skyward so that it notifies you of grades and attendance by email if you would like. The first topic we want you to be aware of is high school graduation requirements. As you know, 9th grade is the first year of high school. Next year you will be 9th graders. That's why it's so important that this year in 8th grade you are preparing well and laying a solid foundation. To graduate from a high school in Alpine School District, you must have 28 credits. Each class that you take for a full year is 1 credit. These are the actual requirements. Notice that you need 4 years of English, 3 years of math, science, all of those things. You must get in all of those credits in order to graduate. They must also be in the correct categories. You could get straight A's, but if you're missing maybe one of these PE classes down here, you will not graduate. Now, these are the requirements to get out of high school. But the goal of schooling is not just to get out of high school, but prepare yourself for the future. If a college or university is in your future, you must go beyond the basic graduation requirements. Most major colleges and universities require you to take more advanced classes. They want you to have 4 years of math, 4 years of science, and at least 2 to 3 years of a foreign language. These are also some of the requirements for the Regents Scholarship. Also, if you plan to participate in a sport at the college level, NCAA requirements have the same expectations. To help you prepare, we have put together a 4-year plan. This shows you when you will take classes so that you can get all the requirements done in a timely manner. We would recommend that you plan on putting in those extra math classes and science classes in early. After you have those in, then you can place other things such as foreign language in, and other electives that you would like to take. Remember, graduation requirements also state that you must have at least a year and a half of fine arts and 1 year of CTE credit in order to graduate. At your CCR, you will receive these registration papers. They are also available on the Vista Heights website under Counseling. We will not be doing registration until March 6th, but we want you to receive this information before your CCRs, so if you have any questions, you can ask them at that time. The first page lists the required classes. Then there are 6 spaces for electives. Remember, when you do registration, full year classes take 2 spaces. Semester elective classes just take 1. On the back of the registration are the electives offered for 9th graders. Those that have asterisks next to them usually require that there be a tryout or an application. Applications for yearbook, peer leaders, peer tutors, and teacher's aide will be available in the counseling office during registration. Tryouts for specialty classes like dance company, your music classes, or drama classes will be announced by the teachers in those areas. The dates for registration are listed here in the pamphlet. There are also other important dates for you to be aware of. The date for the 8th grade career activity may change depending on some circumstances. Another part of high school that is critical is your GPA. GPA stands for your grade point average. Each grade that you receive in school is given a point value. An A equals 4.0, A minus equals 3.7, etc., as you can see here. Those grades are added up each term and divided by the number of grades you receive to get an average. Each term is averaged with every other term to give you a cumulative GPA. This cumulative GPA is what we send on to colleges or employers to help them make decisions about your choices. On the inside of the pamphlet is listed several websites that will help you receive information now so that you will be better prepared for high school. Utah Scholars and higherheadutah.org give you information about scholarships that are available to you, things like the Regent Scholarship or the New Century Scholarship. These were also discussed in your U.S. history class earlier this year. These websites can help you prepare for your future. Utah Future has information about careers and opportunities for self-awareness. The NCAA website helps you understand the requirements for participating in college and athletics teams. The Congressional Award is an award given by the United States Congress to students that develop themselves in the areas of volunteer public service, physical fitness, personal development, and expedition exploration. You can receive certificates, or you can even receive a bronze, silver, or gold medals. These are presented to you by a member of Congress. The next website, shmoop.com, is a website that can help you prepare for the ACT. In 11th grade, you will be taking that ACT. We want you to be as well prepared as possible. If you have questions about any of these websites, please write them down now and bring them with you to your CCR. These final two websites link to Vista and Westlake's counseling pages, where there are many scholarships available that students can apply for right now. Finally, we have contact information so that you can speak directly to us if you have any questions. Parents and students, we would like to thank you for your time as you viewed this presentation. This presentation, as well as other registration information, will remain on our website for you to refer to for the remainder of this year. We also invite you to attend the individual part of your CCR, where you can ask questions regarding your student and their future. This CCR will be held in the Media Center during your student's U.S. history class. Again, we appreciate your time. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.